Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. This week I'm gonna be vlogging along the way to St. Bess. And for those who are not Jamaicans, that means St. Elizabeth. That's another parish in Jamaica. So, towards the southwest of Jamaica. Yeah, I'm trying to remember the direction. Hi guys, I am here. As I said, I was on my way to St. Elizabeth. I was traveling, I felt like I was traveling way back again. So everybody's here. Hi Vida. Hi. Rhodes. Hi. Morrow. Hey. We're here. And one more person inside. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick tour. The yard is so beautiful. It's so pretty. Man, it is so nice.
We are St. Elizabeth with it.
Yeah.
We are St. with it. Take the room down and then sit there.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick tour of the rooms to tell you, or to show you, I should say, show you all of that. And I'm going to do a quick tour of the outdoors. So guys, this is Chris, the owner of the property. All right, so you were saying about the...
So the main fact that it's a farmhouse, then we will have farm hands on hand. They will come by and they will plug in the bistro lights.
I saw a peacock.
Oh yeah, there are two peacocks here.
Oh, that is so pretty. Here.
Yeah, and a little further down, we have apiaries. There are two apiaries. One will be down that side, and one is on that side.
I almost asked you what's an apiary.
That's alright, because I was going by so fast. In the future, that will also become a part of the experience. Once you get here, you can perhaps take up on a farm tour where you can go by the apiary, and hopefully at the end of the time, we can provide you with a sample of what the workers are doing in the box. Right? But for now, what we do, we just bottle and sell the honey straight from the apiary from time to time.
Okay.
For the cows, we use to milk and supply Island Dairy and Surge Island. However, as time goes by, we're not able to monitor as much as we would like to the farm and the animals. So we had to go to a method that needs less monitoring, and as such we diverted into beef. So we have more whole and Jamaica black cows now. So those are better for beef.
And what about today? Could we wander with guidance, of course, could we go and look at I'm afraid of everything, sir, but just asking.
Usually, the cows are down in their pasture.
Okay.
A little further on the property now. If you want to pet, well, not necessarily going to the pen to pet them, but they're not so dangerous. The cows.
You're a madman.
Or maybe.
Man, I work. They say work everywhere.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Because we're on a farm, I love the idea of that this is framed and on the wall. Let me see if I can take a better angle. Look at that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hi guys, so my sister and I she came up with the idea, but she and I moved the two small beds. We just made one massive bed. I'm sure I'm gonna sleep close to the window because people might think this is bush, but trust me, just the sound alone from the rain, because it was pouring just now, and if that happens tonight, amazeballs, totes amazeballs. Guys, if you know anything about me, that's my sister's cup. Isn't it cute? If you know anything about me, you know that I love fruits. So coming to an Airbnb and seeing that they put fruits out for you, this is a guava. It is so big and sexy. And of course, this is a star fruit. I do not know if you have a different name for it wherever you are from, but this is more. Yeah. I can't wait to dig in. I'm actually gonna have one right now. I think this one would be the perfect one. I like it when it's a little hard, but also a little bit soft. Let's see what else is in here. All right, I can. Me just know say them a go sour. You see how them green? Me just feel like them a go sour. That me say me feel like them a sour. Let's wash this. Then I used to think, man. There we go. Hand towels over here.
Artlist.io.
So I came on the road from the supermarket with Omar and bought some groceries so we can go cook breakfast and dinner. I don't know how long it will last, but we can always come back out to it if we need it. Right now he's at the bus buying some down provision. So we're just waiting, then we go home. It's coming down, y'all. It's coming down. Oh my God. So we can stroll now without showing the people. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Yeah, you hear that? So the first night we went to a cafe, Riverside cafe. It was really good food, to be honest. I had taken the fried chicken and fries because I wasn't very adventurous, and it was late at night anyway. I was more groggy from lack of sleep. It was a long day of traveling because I was traveling pretty early in the morning. So we ordered some food. It was great service. The hostess, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry I can't remember your name, darling, but you were beautiful. Your service was just amazing, and I have to big it up because in Jamaica it is very rare when you go to a restaurant and you get great service. Sometimes the faces of the persons who are serving you or the persons who are hosting you or seating you, they're so, for lack of a better word, they stink. Their faces are stink. I don't mean smell stink, I mean it looks just, it's such a turn off. So thank you again, and your service was amazing.
To let the light in, the way you're making me feel it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything.
Music licensing reimagined.
In this life, Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you.
Artlist.io.
Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life.
Music licensing reimagined.
My life for the rest of my life. You're in my sight and my mind, in the quiet and up front out loud, in the calm, in my spirit and the storm.
Artlist.io.
'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can't find in another life.
Music licensing reimagined.
My hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my own.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Pardon my voice. It is not all that early, but I'm in the AC. I haven't been AC this early in such a while, so please pardon me. Alright, so I am in an Airbnb and I'm going to refresh it, so come along.
It's all in our hands, this life of time
Artlist.io.
that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow.
Music licensing reimagined.
It is all in our hands. With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be
Artlist.io.
where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands.
I paused to say that I was walking through the kitchen to just put everything down the mop and the broom, but then I decided might as well just do a quick run through with the mop in here because it's a little footprinty. And as seen as it's the kitchen, you know, things would have fallen here and there, so just bear with me because I'm thinking about this as I go, because this is an Airbnb after all. I don't need to do all this, but I prefer to have a pristine surface, like, you know, an artist prefers a clean canvas to work with. All right.
It is all in our hands. It is all in our hands.
Music licensing reimagined.
It is all in our hands. It is all in our hands. And we know that
Artlist.io.
the change will surely come.
Hello, I'm the freshest in the place. Running laps with my vibe and you can't keep the pace. Head to toe,
Artlist.io.
I'm fly with $1 million smile. Cannot be me, never could you see me. When you this fresh, everybody wanna greet me. Check the clock, now I check my wrist. Ice so bright, the whole room stay lit. I know you I match my style. You haven't seen someone like me in a while. It looks easy, I make it look easy.
Music licensing reimagined.
I leave the room, energy remains. I'm the flyest, stacked up with all these chains. New swag, my swag, here I go. I'm so fresh all around the globe. There ain't no other that can take my role. I'm so hot, but the style so cold. In every room, you know that I reign. Eyes on me, can't deny the fame. Now watch the kicks, don't step on my shoes. Outfit changing for every mood. Don't hate what you see, I'll bring it to the game. So sad, you can never drive in my lane.
Artlist.io.
It looks to be the flyest. Style so big, you know I'm never quiet. Checkmate, why you acting so silent? When it come drip, stop hiding. Stop hiding. Checkmate, why you acting so silent? When it come drip, stop hiding.
So this 3-day stay at the Airbnb in St. Elizabeth was an amazing time. I have so much more raw footage to go through. A lot of this has been sped up times 10 just to see if I can get this first day and night put together into one. This section right here where I am preparing breakfast and cleaning up afterwards, this is the first morning. So we are going to be getting ready to head out to our first activity location. We tried to see if we could go to one of the 3 places that we had in mind, but it was pretty late and we were tired, and the driver was even more tired because from St. Anne to St. Elizabeth, that was quite a drive in one night. We had 3 different places to visit that we intended to visit, so let's see if in the next one I can get that all together of the 3 locations that we ended up visiting in our 3-day stay here in St. Elizabeth.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.